Hello everyone, it is me, Jennifer, the Origami Mommy, and I am here today to teach you guys how to make my design of these origami wallets. So this is basically what it looks like when it's finished, and I did put a fun little, sort of expression, I guess, on the front of our wallet. You enjoy that. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's incredibly easy. Since this is, sort of aimed at kids, so I made sure that this wallet model was extremely simple. Because I don't know who's going to be watching this and when they're going to be watching this, but at the time of this video, we are in the middle of a pandemic, and so I have had to now go to teaching all of my after-school classes online or via these videos. So I had to start a brand new YouTube channel, so I am trying to figure it all out on my own, which has been quite a challenge, I must say. My little 53-year-old brain does not like learning these kinds of new things. I'm used to doing things like this. We're drawing faces and making art, but not figuring out other things. But anyways, enough of that. That's for another video. So this wallet has basically a couple different variations. You can use a string to tie it together. It's basically like two pieces of string, and I just use a cute little sticker to hold, to attach the string. It's the same exact thing. And then I just folded, at the end I'll show you what I'm talking about, but I just folded these edges in. And then you can just tie it back together with the string. And if you so desire, you may design your own money and put it inside your wallet and, I don't know, have fun with that. So without further ado, let us get started. So this model of the wallet starts with a rectangular piece of paper, otherwise known as 8.5 by 11 inches. This is basically the same size as printer paper. So if you just have printer paper, you don't have this colored paper, it's fine. So grab a piece of printer paper, or if you happen to have color 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper, grab that. So what you're going to do is turn your paper around so you have the short edges on the top and bottom, and you're just going to fold your paper in half. So you're going to be matching up the shorter edges and make a crease. Then you will unfold your paper and fold the lower edge so that it aligns with the central crease, and make another firm crease. Then you're going to flip your paper over like a pancake. You're going to take this lower raw edge, and you are going, actually before you do that, I'm sorry, you're going to fold your paper. You're going to reverse the current fold right here on this crease by just taking this flap, and you're going to fold it back so that it folds once more on that previously folded edge of paper. And now you're going to take the top raw edge and fold it down to meet this folded edge. So I'm actually going to rotate my paper around because I tend to like to do my folds away from me. So I'm going to take this raw edge and fold it up so it touches the folded edge. And then crease it. So basically, if you were going to look at it from above, you would have one mountain here and two valleys. And if you were to flip it over, you will have two mountains and one valley, because on the back of every mountain is a valley. In origami land anyways. So that's how that looks. Looks sort of like a big W. right? Okay. So now what you're going to do is unfold back top flap, and you're going to bring this raw edge and you're going to fold the entire raw edge up to meet this crease. Just like that. And now you're just going to, this outer lower flap here that you just folded, you're just going to fold it once more on top of itself, just keeping everything neatly inside. Got it? Okay, so this is basically the wallet base, right? So what we could do from here is just fold this in half, just like this, and you have yourself a wallet. So if you were to open it and you looked inside, here's a place where you might put some money, some fake money hopefully, because although these are fun models, they are not very resilient, meaning that they will kind of, you know, come apart, but it's kind of fun to play with them anyways. You can put some cards in there. You can make yourself your own business cards, which could be really fun to do actually. So if you wanted to, the only difference from this wallet and this one is that on the inside, both of these edges were folded out like this, and I just folded them both inside just to give it a cleaner look. So then when I added the stickers and the strings, it had a sort of a softer edge there. So you could do that here if you wanted to make it into this style where it's closing on itself. We can do that. So basically, using your wallet that you just made, you're just going to choose one short edge here, and you're just going to fold it in towards the left just a little bit, just like that. And then now you're going to basically, the other flap, you're going to refold it, sort of matching those two edges together. Increase it, recrease it at the bottom. So it'll look like that. And then what you can do is inside here, there are a series of little pockets. So this guy would fit into this pocket. There's also another pocket here and another pocket right there. So any of these pockets will work as the wallet lock. You just take this one corner here and you just try to find a pocket that it'll sit inside, and there you go. Now your wallet is complete. Go ahead and get yourself some green paper, make some fun money. You could decorate your wallet with like stickers. For instance, I have a bunch of different just sort of like pattern stickers. You know, you could just put down some of these fun stickers like this, just to give it, you know, a fun look. I have stickers in bunches of shapes. You could just do something like that if you wanted. This is kind of more an abstract look. Let's see. Put the green one. How should we do that? We'll just put it, actually we'll put it over here. Right? And then if you had some stamps, so I have a bunch of like rubber stamps. That's what I used for this mouth. And then I colored in one of the teeth gold just to be funny. But you could use some rubber stamps to decorate it. Or if you have other, you know, other fun stickers that you really like, you can go ahead and decorate your wallet like that. All right. does not want a wallet with a rainbow? Let's see, I might do this one to the side. Yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys have fun with that wallet. I designed it for you myself because that is what I do. And just have fun playing around with that. You can actually change some of these, you know, folds up a little bit if you wanted to try to design something different. We could try to work on that, or you can work on that at home. And yeah, so anyways, that is the completed wallet. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more fun tutorials coming your way. Thank you so much for being here, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.